This is the Iron Trader. Now the pitch just closed here at 2:30. That's about 15 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Well, let's just pop up here on the old daily. And what do we have? Well, look at there. Okay. This, again, I say this over and over. This is why you trade the charts. Now, it ran up, got above the 100-day, and where to go? Right into the 8-day. Can it get through? Oh, hell no. Okay. At 8-day is a lot tougher than it looks. Now, so you're looking at 82.25. Now, again, if you can get above that, then what we do, we look at this candle right here. You're looking at 82.83. We look at the top of Friday's candle. You're looking at 83.60. And then what we do is we look at this 84.73. Okay, so 82.25 to 84.73, that's one level. Now, if you can get above that 84.73, we come to this candle right here. What do we have? You have 85.30, this candle right here, 85.90, and then 86.47. That's the next level if you can get above this 84.73. Now, 86.74, where do we go? Then we come to this candle here, 87.75, 88.33, 88.57, 89.54, big retest, 89.85, right to that price channel. Okay, the key is going to be this 8-day. If you can get above it, first section, 84.73. Next section, 86.47. Next section, 89.85. One layer at a time. That's how you trade. That's how you'll make the money. Okay, now, what do we have here on the downside? Well, we have an inside day today, but you want to look here at today's low. That's 80.66, and then we come to this candle right here. You're looking at 80.30, and then we come to Friday's low at 80.10. If that is lost here, then we come over to your monthly chart. You got 79.15. Then we come over to your 50-day here on your weekly, 78.35, and then 78.28. That is going to be the target. Now, if this is lost, that 50-day is lost, where's your target? Right here, 69.98. Let's call it 70 bucks. That's where she will go. Okay, that's the big target. Be like a magnet to a fridge. Now, quick review here. Watch your key 100 SMA. Watch your key 21 SMA, 82.12. Watch your 82.25, your 8-day. Follow these candles, 84.73. Follow candles, 86.48. Follow candles, 89.85. Downside, 80.10 is going to be critical. Then we have 79.16, 78.35, 78.28. Very, very easy. Now, RSI, looking okay here. Could go either direction. Bearish cross, still intact here on the MACD. And look at this bearish cross here that happened here. Okay, boom. Green below the red, never good. Now, watch this 8 SMA here. See what's happening? So that's rolling over. Okay, even if this pops up here above this, and it gets above this 8-day, you're going to have to watch this key 8 SMA here, 85, 89. It will be lower here as the week progresses. This is just rolling right over. Now, when the futures market opens here at 6 p.m., always watch very closely because this 8-day will be lower. You got to see if it can climb above or is it going to keep pushing the price down to try to get this target right here at the 78.28. All right, let's take a look here at the old net of gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, we had a nice sideways action going here, but it just couldn't hold it. You had a topping tail, and then once you had that gap, boom, she's all the way on down. Now, I did get into cold, K-O-L-D. I bought it in pre-market there at 49.25, and then I sold it there at 51.25. So I made 2 points. I didn't get the low, I didn't get the high, but actually in pre-market it got all the way down to 45.10. But new charting system today here for me. Went from one company to another company, so I didn't hold nothing over the weekend. I went in flat. But again, still gained the 2 points on that. I'm happy with that. No issue. Now, what we have here. Okay, so daily chart, Well, look at here. Came right on down. Where to go? Right into the 21. Now, if you watched my video this morning, I said, watch the bottom here. This is at 3.32. There's your gap. Okay. Top of this candle here, 3.279. There's your fill. Now that is filled. Okay. Came right down to this 21 day. Now, if this 21 day here is lost, then what we want to do is we want to look here to the bottom of this candle here, because that was the previous gap, 3.20. Then you want to look to the top of this candle here. That's 3.18. And then we look to the top of this candle, 3.158, which lines up very, very nicely with this 3.154, the 8-day on your weekly chart. As long as that holds, it's still a very, very bullish pattern. If that is lost here, well, we just follow these candles all the way on down here. You want to watch this here, 2.97. You got 2.96 here on that 50-day. Very, very close. That would be the really big target here if this 21-day is lost, okay? And then obviously if that's lost, well, you come down to this 2.84 here and this 2.86 retest right there very easily. And then you can even come down to this price channel here, which is basically right here. This is the gap, 2.82. That's the low. And then we have your fill sitting right here, okay, at 2.78. So you got your gap and your fill. I don't know if it's going to get all the way down there, but, you know, who knows? RSI, just rolling over here pretty good. That could curl back up here. MACD is still bullish cross here, but not looking too good. Just always remember, when that green goes below that red, this is what happens here. Boom. See this? Boom. Down she goes. Okay? So just quick recap. Watch this key 21 day. If that is lost here, then we just follow these candles here all the way to this 50 SMA, 2.97, 2.9, basically 7. Okay, that is going to be your big target. Upside, you need to get above this 8 SMA here. But now you left another gap in the field. So you want to watch today's high. Okay, sitting at 3.407. Then you want to watch this 8-day, 3.42. And then you want to watch the fill. Okay, that's 3.452. So your gap, your fill, and your 8 SMA, very, very key. If you can get above, then we come right here, 3.52, right there, 3.57, 3.60, 3.63, 3.64. That's the breakout. If it gets above that, your target, 3.8, sitting right there, that 200 SMA. Okay, so now you know where it's going. The question is which direction is going to go here. So again, I'm flat here. I have no position, long or short here. Made the 2 points on the KOLD. Happy with that here. I don't want to do any kind of scalping here at the end of the day, but watch the futures when this opens up here to see if this is going to roll below this 21 day here and then head on down, or is it going to hold that 21 day here and try to rally up here to get this gap, this fill, and this key 8 SMA here. Okay. All right. That's all I have for you right now. I'll have more for you on the crude and natural gas here tomorrow before 8 o'clock. And remember, the API report will be out tomorrow at 4:30. All right. Thanks for watching.